Hi, this is Hamid. Welcome to this short video on Inventor's Revolve command. To start a Revolve command, we first need a closed profile. A closed profile to create a solid surface, solid body, or you can also make use of a surface. And here you need either edge to revolve, or you can also make use of a center axis away from your profile or a sketch. Here I'm going to use a closed profile and edge of the same sketch. I created a fully constrained sketch. Come out of the sketch, I use a revolve command, select a profile and an axis to rotate. The 3D solid model is ready to see. Alternatively, you can also select any edges, horizontal or vertical, to create your revolve command. So keep watching, more videos to come on Autodesk Inventor 2018.